Hello everyone. Today's IM discuss human-grade dog food subscription service Spot and Tango raises $38.5 million. Many pet food companies claim their dog food is as healthy as human food. Spot and Tango's ready-to-serve meal has no additives, fillers, or preservatives, unlike commercial kibble. Spot and Tango, on the other hand, makes veterinary-grade foods for dogs. How much money did you raise? Valor Equity Partners led a second round of $38.5 million and a first round of $13.25 million. Who came up with the idea for Spot and Tango? Not to mention the lack of nutritious food for dogs. How are Spot and Tango unique? Spot and Tango provides your dog ready-to-eat meals. Your dog's individual nutritional needs are met. Quality of Spot and Tango. There are no artificial additives or tastes. Meets or exceeds industry standards. Personalization of Spot and Tango. Food allergies, exercise levels, breed, and flavor preferences are all taken into account before designing a food plan, right down to the scoop size. Sustainably minded of Spot and Tango. Each delivery comes from a distribution hub near a recycling facility. For more details on human dog food Spot and Tango, click the below link. Thank you.